Let me show you the inside of the members area right now. Okay, so guys, this is what you will see after logging in. All you have to do is just watch this video and then click on start building your apps here. Okay, this will take you to this page, and from here you can essentially control all of it. So you have a couple of additional videos that you have to watch, so you can literally watch these in a few minutes. And you can create your app by just adding your URL right here and clicking on create app. That's all you have to do. Okay, so actually let me grab the URL to my page, let me paste it in, and let's click on create app. So guys, this literally takes a few minutes. All you have to do is just add a name, domain link, and we have the favicon URL. We click on create app and our app will be created, and after this you just have to go to my apps. It will be added right here. As you can see, I already have a bunch of different apps added. You can view it, you can edit it, or you can delete it. Now if you want people to be able to install the app, all you have to do is just click on download layouts and app builder, and you're going to have to add it to your website. And obviously you can just give the file to your customers and they will add it to their website, and this is how the app will be working. Now the cool thing is that you can actually send notifications via your app to any smartphone. So if you have some offer to promote, if you want to send a message, an email, if you want to communicate with all the people that installed your app, you just have to go to notification and send a notification. Okay, so pretty simple and straightforward. You just add the title, message, and you add the icon. That's it. Here on the download, this is where you're downloading your app, and we have all the training included as well. So guys, we have all the video training on how to do all of this. So we have the HTML page, we have the WordPress page, we have my apps, we have notifications, app builder, ProfitApp templates and editor, because you're getting 20 done for your templates, by the way, downloading HTML and CSS, and profit with ProfitApp. So guys, so that's essentially it. Again, you have 20 amazing looking templates to choose from. So these will be for different niches. It doesn't really matter what niche the website is in, your website or the website of your client. And again, you're getting a commercial license to actually use this on the websites for your clients. So you can literally make hundreds of dollars per client, as I showed you on Fiverr with ProfitApp. So guys, if you want to see the full demo video, I will upload it right after this video, and I will have it both on my YouTube channel and on my blog. Okay, so this will be showing you the whole backend on the website, how to go through the templates, how to install everything. I just wanted to give you an overview right here in this review video, but the demo video will show you exactly every single step. So guys, that's the inside of the members area. Let's check out the pricing.